Well, hello. So this is my first video for Smoketrail Overland. So the main goal for this channel is to do a budget build with a budget diesel truck, really. Unless you count the parts that is not very budget friendly. So what we got now is a 2000 F250 with a 7.3 power stroke. Not exactly the best vehicle for off-roading because it is spring ride, leaf spring ride all the way around. But there's some mods you can do to it to help your truck or these trucks go off-road, articulate a little bit more. So this is going to be our base. See how well it does on a trail out here by where I live. So we got like a 35-minute drive to where we need to go. So I'll see you guys then. Here it is. It's a 2000 F250 with a good old 7.3 power stroke, the indestructible power stroke that I thought I blew up this morning. Anyways, completely bone stock, besides got a hydro chip tuner in it and my left foot. My right foot, sorry. So, big bumper. I can hook up a winch to the receiver on the front. Good old Ford manual locking hubs, which is the fucking best. This is vacuum bullshit right here. Got my ham radio installed. Talk to people out on the trail if I ever get stuck. Or when someone remembers to bring their walkie-talkie, we can talk to them. So, got 100 gallons worth of, a 100-gallon tank. It's got 50 gallons in it right now. Going to help out with a little bit smoother ride. Toolbox, which probably needs to go away for overlanding or off-roading, I should say. This fucking piece of shit tailgate that doesn't really fucking do anything good. Yeah, so that's what we got working with. Right now we're testing out to see how well it works as a stock performing truck. I do not think it's going to perform very well. I think it's going to get screwed up a lot. Not screwed up, but spin out a lot. I'm going to try to go two-wheel drive as far as we can until we can't go anymore, and then we'll kick it into four-wheel drive. So, the recovery truck. A 2007 Ram 1500 with that 5.7 Hemi in it. Dog box for my cameraman here. So we're going to spin you around and he'll tell you what you got.
What's going on, guys? So it's a stock. I paid $1,500 for this truck. Need a wiring harness for the transmission. Got the transmission fixed. Pretty much it's bone stock. It's just got new tires on it and it's got a cutout on it. That's about it. Besides, obviously the dog box.
And what have you pulled out with this thing before?
Pulled out a fully loaded 1-ton Cummins with a fully loaded trailer, probably weighing, I'd say, about 20,000 pounds altogether, with ball tires.
Shit, Hemi.
It's got that Hemi power.
So, yeah, that's what we got going on right now. We're going to see what both these trucks can do. And maybe we'll convince Matt to turn this into a off-roading truck more than a dog fucking truck.
Pretty much off-roading truck.
So, let's see how it goes.
Already has to put it in 4.
What hit?
Huh?
What hit?
The bumper rubbed the tire.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Damn.
He's flexed out pretty good right now. Oh! I think she's geared in now.
So, that was pretty fucking crazy. I didn't think I was going to need it that quickly. So, let's see how Matt does. Just so you guys can see that it is not like a shallow deal whatsoever. See how he gets it. Oh. Fucking Dodge is the fucking GOAT. But, I mean, come look at this. So, just so you guys know, like,
Here, let me stand down in there. Maybe it'll get. That's probably a good 3-4 foot drop.
Yeah, how tall are you, Matt?
I'm 5'9", 5'8".
Yeah, I mean, and come look at this here. You look here.
Oh, you dragged. Or unless that was...
I think that was the bumper. Or is the exhaust. So, that's a good step. I tried my best not to get in here, which I don't think I did, but it's a good little ravine. So
I was in 2-wheel drive in the Dodge. No,
yeah,
4-wheel drive.
Matt was in fucking 2-wheel drive, of course. So let's keep going. Ford is still in 4-wheel drive. We're gonna
I'll have to pop it back out to the next one.
You think so?
Yeah. Until the next one. Unless you want to just leave your hub lock.
So, because that's what we're gonna do.
Just in case you guys didn't believe me. 2-wheel drive.
So this is where it starts getting more hard, according to Onyx Off-Road. Let's read what it says. So the road we just took in was called Clay Chaos, and we're getting ready to go on a trail that's called Starlight Ridge. It is a level 6 difficulty, or technical, and it's an hour and 25 minutes long. Total of 3 miles. And let's see, Clay Chaos was a number 5. So a little bit harder, but really I've only had to put it in 4-wheel drive once. So I'm guessing we're going to have to put it in 4-wheel drive on that, most definitely. And maybe the Ram's going to have to go in 4-wheel drive. But we'll see. So
let's see how the Ford is going to do. He already wants me to get out of the truck, so I'm going to get out of the truck. I don't think we're going to have to put the Dodge in 4-wheel drive, but because I have a right lead foot. Oh yeah, it's already starting here. Oh yeah.
So I know how to take angles and how to make that truck come through with no ease.
With ease.
Yeah, with ease. So I'm taking the shittiest line possible on purpose. Not to break my truck, but to see what it is capable of. Because the first thing that you do on any off-road machine is suspension, right? So trying to see how far the stock suspension can get us. And if this truck goes through pretty much easily, just putting 4-wheel drive here and there, we're probably going to have to find a more difficult area to go. But that wash back there looked like a decent place to go. But we'll see.
I had to straddle it. Well, guys, put in 4. He is dragging the bottom of his truck on the ground right there, if you can see that. Wow. He might have to straddle it coming up on this ridge here.
I'm going to try 4 low.
Yeah, you're dragging. You're dragging.
Or the bumper?
Diff. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might have a recovery on our hands. He is bottomed out on the... He is bottomed out on his diff right now. I don't know.
Watch, I was driving around with it locked all the time.
So he is currently bottomed out on his diff. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it on the camera here. Yep. He is bottomed out right there on his diff. Right there.
Yeah, we might have to stop here. You sure have a bummer.
He'll get out.
So I was in neutral that entire time when I was walking around.
Just spinning tire. You're not in 4. What are you in? 4 low? Try to switch it back to 2. Put it in neutral. Put it back all the way to 2. That's 2? Okay, put it back to 4 low now.
Engage. All right, Matt.
Recovery time. We're going to keep going. Right, Bill? I'm just going to give you a little tug backwards, and we're going to keep going.
Just not rip my axle out.
I need to go move my truck because I hear the side-by-side coming.
Well, they're coming down this way.
All right.
Well, there's that. I noticed it was starting to slip, so I should have been more careful. She is right on the diff.
All right, we're gonna do it again. Just gonna take a different line this time.
Yep. Alrighty, so I guess I'm not going to try to pick the hardest lines. I'll drive it like a normal person and pick the right lines. So, yeah, my truck made it up pretty fucking good. It looked like to me.
It was easy.
Of course.
I drove right off the side even. Took the hard way straight down. Took the hard way, came right off that side down there. Back end started drifting a little bit, but just gave it some gas and it got grip.
So, let's get after it. Doing pretty good now. I don't know what the hiccup was with the full drive, but it's going up pretty easy now. So I think the things I'm thinking about is some bigger tires, some air lockers, and the suspension. I think this would be a pretty good fucking off-roading there. What do you think, Matt?
Yeah, I think so.
So we're getting back on the Starlight Ridge right now. So the blue dot is us. You can see it. So we're gonna follow this down, come back. We're gonna try to get back on the 300 road right here, and then take the 107 back, and I'll be done for the day. And Matt will take this video and record, edit it for me, because my computer won't handle this supreme footage, I think. We'll see how well it comes out. So, thanks.
So, Bill just honked at me. He's like, hey, where the hell are you going? That's the way we have to go. And I don't know if you can tell. That's steep. And it's a lot of rocks.
We're going to see how this truck can do. Hopefully I don't break it. My daily.
Daily driver. Let me get up the hill here.
So he's going to try it up 2-wheel drive and see how it does. Fucking 2-wheel drive. I mean, I guess weight does play a lot in it. Outlandish.
So Bill and I think we are on an old fire road, because that is where the fire was. Rodeo Chest Guy. And we are getting pretty gnarly in this trail. It's getting like, this is ATV stuff. And Bill's daily driver, I don't care about this truck. This is what I bought this truck to do. But Bill's daily driver, I think he might be getting a little worried. There he is back there. Oh yeah, he's getting in the trees. Nice little uphill here. Oh yeah, this is getting pretty tight. Whoa, let's record this. This is going to be a good one. In case you guys are wondering how tight it is in here. Daily driver.
It's a wheelbarrow with a motor.
This is how tight we are. Our trucks barely fit. Barely. I'm about to try to squeeze up front. Look how tight that is. Yeah, we're pretty sure we're in a quad trail. We're thinking, like I said, I think it's from the fire. We're going down one of the fire roads right now.
If I was thinking it's rodeo, I think this is the rodeo tennis cat fire.
Yes.
Area.
Yep. So let me see if I can squeeze through up here so I can record this. Ow. Oh, man. Oh, shit.
Ooh, fucking dick.
Oh, we gotta mute that. So, yeah, we got this now. Don't know what's in the bag. Don't want to find out what's in the bag. Don't want to find out. Could be for Bear. He's gonna poke it, and then a bunch of bees are gonna come out and sting the shit out of us. Yeah, we're going up this now.
Dude, look at this.
Yeah.
Don't mind the ripped pants.
Just clothes. Look at our trucks down there. It's tight. Well, let me set this up somewhere. We'll keep going on here. Nice view, though. Look at that.
Should probably switch to my boots once we get up here.
Yeah.
So, if you look out there, I don't know if you can see it. You can zoom in, buddy. On the side. So you see that little yellowish area? That is a clay mine. We almost went over there to check it out, but we got shit to do. And my wife said to hurry up, so there's that.
Damn it.
So I made a fucking big mistake. I forgot to press record.
God damn it. I just made it up that, no problem. Two-wheel drive.
Swear to God, it was two-wheel drive.
I have proof. I didn't turn that switch. Well, I guess we'll record yours. This is more about your truck. My truck, I don't give a shit about. I mean, it's cool because it's out beating his truck right now. But
now there is 7 years difference, so fuck you.
It's got limited stock. I don't know if you can't get up. I don't know if I'll be able to pull you up. It's gonna be nasty.
Pick a line for me. My heart is beating right now.
Well, your four-wheel drive is working. I saw your front wheel spin.
Okay.
So it's in four-wheel drive now.
Maybe it just wasn't right in four-wheel drive.
So earlier when you had that issue, I think what we could have done is probably went backwards first, then forwards to kind of try to get it engaged. Then we could have went on.
It probably could have made up that if it was in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Because if it made up that, it would have went up that no fucking problem.
Yeah. All right, let's continue.
And I'm still in first gear. I did go into four-wheel low. I don't know if you caught that.
I heard it. I don't know.
Fourth low.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yeah.
I heard it. I don't know if the camera picks it up or if my phone picks it up, but yeah. So I'm pissed at Bill still for not getting mine because I was straight dragging my side steps on the ground and he missed it. He missed it.
I know. I'm sorry.
But your truck almost hit the ground. I got on my iPhone, so.
It almost hit the ground?
Yeah, I almost hit the ground.
Cab corner or the frame?
The cab corners.
the wife would have been pissed. So, I don't think I told you guys, I paid $5,000 for this truck with a rebuilt transmission. So, I think I got a pretty good fucking deal. And all three of these, the bumper, fuel tank, and the toolbox came with it. So,
yep. And the $1,500 truck is still winning by 2. And I can't, actually, let's call it 3, because I just came up that in two-wheel drive, even though the viewers may not believe it.
Honest, it went up two-wheel drive.
Oh, he almost slipped up. He said 4-wheel drive. No, it was not in 4-wheel drive. I promise you. It was in two-wheel drive. Right up that. Same thing he just went up.
So
let's continue. Say again.
It's supposed to get gnarlier, so. So, what do you think, Matt?
Hasn't been too bad. What do you think?
A lot of improvements that need to be done.
Yeah. Some bigger tires will probably do you good.
And a little lift.
I'm doing
2-inch lift.
I'm doing nothing to this one over here. Not a single thing.
So, we've done pretty good. We're out of the thick trail, so that's where we're going to stop it. Now there is another trail that cuts back around to the Clay Chaos Trail. I think that's the 49, Forest Service Route 49. And we'll probably come back and do that another time once I get bigger tires on the truck. Because that is a more high rating trail. And after the shit we've gone through in this, I think I need some bigger tires before I do so. But I think stopping here at the Deer Lookout Trail,
Deer Springs Fire Lookout?
Yeah, Deer Springs Fire Lookout. I think this is a good place to stop.
We're going to include some bonus footage. We're going to go inside. It says visitors welcome.
Yeah.
We'll throw some bonus footage in. It'll be towards the end of the video.
Until next time, guys.
Hey, can we say Dodge isn't superior?
I already told you Dodge is superior.
The Hemi outdid. What do you guys say to that?
Oh.
He's not even facing the camera.
Because I already know. I'm going to hear it down in the comments. Oh, you didn't give that Ford the best shot. It was way down by diesel. Oh. Guys, it's a farm truck. That's going to be turned into an off-road rig. We had to fucking take it out the way I got it. So.
And the 1500 will be back in the same form.
We'll see.
It will be in the same form.
We'll take it through some shit that where Matt's going to have to update some stuff.
Yeah, I think the only thing I might do is put a skid, some type of skid underneath the gas tank there.
Yeah. That'll probably help. I do know for a fact I want to get... So let me give you some rundowns of what I want. So, bigger tires. A lift. Maybe some rock sliders, some homemade ones. Can't find any on the internet. And a winch, and probably do black bedliner down the bottom. Just gonna help protect everything. But other than that, I think this truck would be a good off-road candidate. So
we'll throw some bonus footage in while I'm looking at it over here.
Alrighty, guys. See you next time.
I have a Dodge, buddy. That's why I can get up hills in two-wheel drive.
You're lighter.
That dog box is pretty heavy.
But you don't have 360 pounds worth of fuel in the back.
Yeah, true, but that dog box is probably 300 pounds alone.
How's that toolbox?
Great. Now I have to edit all this out. Just kidding. It's going to go at the end for bloopers.
Damn right.
What the fuck?
I don't know. The nicotine's getting to me.
I see.